So I've not made a video for quite a while, and I think that must be due to a lack of willpower and just overall laziness. But yep, I'm back, and I've got a whole slew of builds that are in the making. Plus I'm willing and open to hear any ideas that you have. I'm also using a actual microphone this time, rather than the computer's internal audio. So yeah, hopefully the sound quality is going to be a bit better in the future. Anyways, this is what I've got in line. I got this ducted fan helicopter thing, whatever you call it, that's going to be coming out. I've also got this massive fantasy sword that's been in the workhouse for quite a while. I've got this sci-fi looking tank thingy, I know what you call it, but artillery piece. But yeah, it's got a working ejecting mechanism. I've also got this Uzi replica that I made. I tried to make it as close to the original, but yeah, that's one that's coming out soon. And then I've got this pinball machine that I've had for ages, and I think it's finally time to make a video on it. Also, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a quarter face reveal, so you can finally get a bit of an idea what the crazy guy looks like making these videos. Oh, I'd like to add that I've got a second channel called Cinema Clips, link will be in the description, and that one is my actual channel that I've probably got more hopes for in the future. But yeah, it's in its young stages, and I'd really love it if you go check it out. So until then, I hope my videos will come up really soon. Yeah, those are being edited at the moment, so yeah, hope to see you soon, and please, I'd love it if you like and subscribe.